My back porch doesn't really have much storage out here, and I'm a very outdoors person, so I like to have things outside, and I don't like to go back and forth. I do not like that. That was a rule growing up. If you're going in, you better stay in. If you're coming out, you better stay out. So I got this shelf to organize more of my things so I can just leave it out here. It was super easy to put together. They are plastic shelves, but they have this nice rough material so things are not going to slide off of them. They have stoppers at the top so it's not going to break or anything, and then on the bottom it just gives it a little more height. This is a plastic shelf, which I think is really nice because if it gets messed up, it'll be okay. It's not going to rust. It's not going to deteriorate with the rain or anything like that, which I really like. That it took me maybe 5 minutes to put together, but that's only because I put it together wrong the first time. So without me putting it together wrong, it probably would have took me like 3 minutes. All you have to do is connect all of these poles to these right here and then just set the shelves on top. So if you're looking for a nice shelf that you can use in your garage, in your room, outside like me, maybe in your shop, wherever, this definitely is a good choice. I really like it and I can't wait to decorate it. And that's what I'm going to go do right now. I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.